why do we really have to have the relation?
Are we choosing the wrong person, or are we becoming the wrong person?
Why do two people once said forever but end up saying goodbye? Why is that?
Sometimes breakups save you from your years of emotional pain.
They are going for dates, they are having ice cream, pizza, this and that. They are spending a lot of time.
To select a person is not a bad thing, it's a good thing, but we have to be in our life.
Whenever someone is in their life, they want to control.
If just one person sacrifices every time, and it may not help relation go on.
Some people take that breakup is a death. Breakup is the end of the life.
If a person knows how to move on in this situation, so from my perspective, it's not too much difficult.
Sometimes breakup is in your favor because that person was the wrong person you selected.
Can breakups make us stronger or wiser?
Emotional distance, misunderstanding,
Yes.
and disconnection can also happen in many other relations,
Yes, right.
like parents and children, teachers and students, brother and sisters, and sisters and sisters, brother and brother. Like
There are many
it's
relations.
so many. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, this is Khalid. Thanks ever so much to each and everyone that come back and watch our videos to learn and grow with us. Well, if you want to improve your English, you are watching the right video. By watching our videos, you will definitely improve your debate and discussion competency. Well, bye for now. You may have come to know that I love bringing new topics. So today we have brought a very beautiful topic, and that is why break up. Yes, why break up. Okay, so let's talk about it.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is me, Mari Khanam, and today I'm here for the topic, and the topic is that why breakups.
Before I say something, I would like to recite one ayat. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'een. My name is Nadeem Ahmad. I live in Dilshan Iqbal.
Breakup is a word that we all know very well, but do we really understand it? Like, why do two people once said forever but end up saying goodbye? Why is that? Today we're gonna have very deep discussion about why breakup and why do people do this.
I want to ask a question, and this is the most important question. What are the some? First of all, we have to know that what are the some main problems, like what are some main reasons of people's breakup.
Yeah, indeed, it's really necessary. Well, sometimes it's not the matter who is right and who is wrong, but more importantly, it is important to know that whether both are willing to have relation or not, or grow the relation or not. Well, sometimes there might be so many other reasons. Sometimes we don't pay attention to the person we are in the relation. Sometimes we neglect the emotional feeling. Sometimes we just look our picture. We don't want to understand someone else. There might be so many reasons. But I would like to add one more question, that why do we really have to have the relation?
It is of human nature.
Yes. Sometimes we want to know who is our life partner, so we have this relation. Okay. Sometimes we want to spend the time with the person who want to have the relation.
Yes.
That is why we have a relation.
I want to ask a question. Can breakups make us stronger or wiser?
Sometimes it may make us stronger. Sometimes it may make us weaker. It depends on the person's mindset. You know why?
Yeah.
Actually, how you take it.
Yes.
When we have breakup, it's very difficult situation. In so many cases, people go for drugs. And sometimes, people spoil themselves. Now they promise themselves that now I will have hundreds of relation with so many people,
Yes.
and I will also destroy so many people's life. This is also the reality.
Yes, right.
So we cannot say that how anyone is going to take this breakup.
I want to add something in your points. Like I have seen many people when they have breakup, so they become depressed person.
Yeah.
Like the anxiety, depression, something like that. But it depends on person, because if a person knows how to move on in this situation,
Yes.
so from my perspective, it's not too much difficult to move on.
And one more thing, as a Muslim, we must believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has
Yeah.
made a perfect life made
Yes.
for us.
Yes.
We just gotta wait for that, the right person. Sometimes, breakup is in your favor because, that person was the wrong person you selected. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has selected a perfect person for you. You gotta wait
Yes.
for the right person. And also, I would like to give a message to Pakistani people that I just, come across a lot of Pakistani people when they have a breakup. What do? Sometimes they commit, taking drugs. Sometimes they get fed up with the life. Sometimes they get depressed. And they leave everything. They don't talk to parents. They don't talk to their friends and this and that. Breakup is just, this is your choice. You selected someone and you assume yourself that this person is going to be my life partner. But that is your assumption. That is your just expectation. So you should be patient if it is the wrong decision.
Yes, right.
You made your own way. Okay?
And another question I want to ask that are we choosing the wrong person or are we becoming the wrong person?
Yeah, it's a beautiful question.
Yeah.
Like sometimes, we consider that we never do anything wrong.
Yes.
And like wrong is not in my personality. Whatever I do, it's okay. Whatever I do, it should be acceptable. And I should have so many expectations from the people, and I don't follow, like I don't fulfill any expectation of the others. So this is really bad thing. Sometimes people make very terrible mistake, and that is they just consider the look of the person, not the characteristic of the person or the character.
Yes.
They just want to have the relation with Shah Rukh Khan, Aishwarya Rai, this and that, but they are not looking the perfect, the person who is full of character.
But they should have become a cooperative behavior.
Yes, indeed.
person.
And that is why so many distractions, so many emotional negligent, so many there are so many things.
I have seen when partners have fundamentally different values, priorities, or long-term goals, so it can create tension or conflict.
Yes.
Indeed. Well, one more thing, it's very wrong thing that when someone doesn't want to have the relation with you,
Yeah.
you must, check inside your personality what are the lackings and
Yeah.
what are the problems in your personality. Actually, the thing is that whenever we are living with the family members, they have our they are our blood relation. Okay, so they sometimes ignore our problems and they sometimes teach us something. But when we are going to have the relation with someone who is going to become our life partner, the situation is different. Here we should consider that our personality should be dynamic personality. We should have patience. We should have some limits. We should have some like we must have our personality that a person can bear us.
Yes. Right.
Exactly.
Sometimes breakups save you from your years of emotional pain.
Yeah, sometimes.
And it may hurt you, but later it realized you, it taught you your worth, boundaries, and what not to settle for.
Wow, great. This point is $86,400 million point. Why? Actually, some people take that breakup is a death. Breakup is the end of the life or something like that. But the thing is that breakup may teach you the lesson that you made a terrible mistake considering the wrong person, or maybe you behaved the wrong way.
Yes, right.
Sometimes, we made some terrible mistake in the relation. Sometimes we expect a lot from the person. Like he should understand all the time whatever if I make any mistake, he should, forgive me, ignore the problem. But whenever I am in the situation, in reverse situation, then if someone else, the person who is in our relation makes any mistake or slight mistake, now we are not ready to be patient.
Exactly.
We are ready to take a revenge or something like that.
Yes, right.
And sometimes, not having, spoken, not giving the time or being, distant may cause the relation breakup.
And indeed, I have seen majority breakups makes us stronger.
Stronger.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed, sometimes. So we must have so many breakup.
No.
To have so many breakup, we must have so many relations.
No.
Okay. Well, I have one more question, and that is, why for now so many Pakistani parents now they have allowed their children to select their life partner by themselves. But here in society, so many children they are overchecking it, they are exploiting it. The way they are going for dates, they are having ice cream, pizza, this and that. They are spending a lot of time, but they don't tell their parents that they are going with their so-called selected person who they have selected for as a life partner. So what do you think about it?
Majority, I have seen that new generation takes benefit of it. Like nowadays, it's common, and whenever we say like it's wrong, so like they say no, it's not wrong. It's a common thing, and we have to do it because we are loving with each other, and we understand to each other. But from my perspective, to select a person is not a bad thing. It's a good thing.
Yes.
But we have to be in our limits.
In our life, like not we should not go for ice cream,
Yeah.
pizza, or dates or something like that.
Without
Or
any relation.
without like in relation, like if we keep doing these things,
Yeah.
it will definitely have some problem in your relation,
Yes.
in your family.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, nowadays, do you think like people are showing their real side, or they are showing the best side until they get the relation? Do they show off, or do they show the thing, or they just exaggerate a lot? They show off a lot that they are something.
From my perspective, I have seen many people show off, and they too much show off, but it can cause it can cause the breakup,
Yes.
and it can give it maybe give the wrong impression.
Yes.
Whenever a person comes to know that the true color of a person,
Yes.
so it becomes too much difficult situation.
Yeah,
So we
indeed.
don't have to do these all things.
One more thing I would like to add, and that is, nowadays, making videos on TikTok is getting really common.
Yes.
So many decent, or I would say, sophisticated girls, they are making videos. But later on, when so many people start, praising them that you look very beautiful, what do you eat, where do you live, please smile for me in the next video, this and that, please do this, please talk about this thing
Yeah.
in the next video. So later on,
Please share this video.
yeah,
Please send-
the girls start assuming themselves like an actress. So it may cause the wrong mindset. So later on, when they have relation, like a girl who is making a lot of videos on TikTok, she has a relation with someone, okay, but when that person goes to her ID and watches different kind of videos and different kind of comments, so it may also cause the problem.
I want to share a few beautiful lines. The body doesn't matter much. It is the clothes for the soul. There is a pain, it is okay. It is a part of the search for love. The love has destroyed me, and I hoped to be with you, but I kept getting hurt again and again. In Urdu we say, ये जिस्म है तो क्या, ये रूह का लिबास है, ये दर्द है तो क्या, ये इश्क की तलाश है, फना किया मुझे ये चाहने की आस ने, तरह तरह ये शिकस्त ही हुआ.
Oh, great.
There are many things to cause a breakup, like lack of trust
Okay.
and different goals or values. For example, feeling insecure or unsure about relationships, wanting different things in life,
Yeah.
and like constant fighting or disagreement. These all are the cause of the breakup, from my perspective.
And sometimes, so many people, they are really, really hard people. They don't want to accept anything.
Yeah.
They just want to have the life, or maybe whenever someone is in their life, they want to control. They want to control the people. They want themselves that whatever I decide, please do it. Whatever I don't decide, don't do it.
So from my perspective, like in this way, relation cannot keep going.
Keep going. Yes, indeed. We have to be patient. We
Yeah.
have to be loyal. We have to be like the person who can spend the time with someone.
Yes,
Like
right.
we need to be dynamic personality with the full of patience, loyalty. We should not be betrayer, or we should not be disloyal or something like that.
Another thing, if just one person sacrifices every time, and it may not help relation go on.
Very
Yes,
nice. Well, term breakup is mostly used with romantic relation,
Yes, right.
but emotional distance, misunderstanding,
Yes.
and disconnection can also happen in many other relations,
Yes, right.
like parents and children,
And
teachers and students, brother and sisters,
Boss
and
and
sisters and sisters, brother and brother. Like
There are many
it's
relations.
so
many relations.
Yes, right.
So like we should also play a beautiful role in other relation too.
yes, right. So many people leave their parents and go to abroad and never come back again. And parents look at every plane flying above and thinking maybe that is the one, the child in it. But children never come back again. Parents keep waiting and waiting, and until they die.
Yeah, indeed, I have seen nowadays many parents and children relationships are not strong.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's happening, but sometimes I see parents don't understand children's psychology.
Yeah. Actually, I personally believe, this is my personal, opinion, that, it's not one side, problem.
Yeah.
It's both side problem. I would say, like parents should also play a good role. And actually, how children, come to know different things, and how children, grow. That is in the control of the parents.
Yes.
So sometimes, the major part of the problem is by the parent.
Yeah, sometimes parents don't play a good role, but they expect from their children to play a good role.
And-
how can they expect?
Yes, and sometimes they neglect in front of the guest.
Yeah,
Sometimes they rebuke very badly. Sometimes they beat, in fact. So these kind of behavior, they pile up and then they blast.
Like as
Then
I
they
said,
yes, indeed, and they start losing respecting the parents.
Yes,
And
right.
now they think that now we have grown up. Now we can make our own decisions.
yes.
It may be the reason.
I want to share a few beautiful lines for parents and children. Those children who go abroad. You earn lot of money, but this money made you leave your country. Leave that homeland, come back, and like a bird, break your cage. Come back. Come back, life is too short. And come back. Even at home, there is also food to eat. A letter has come from your homeland. In Urdu we say, पैसा तूने बहुत कमाया, इस पैसे ने देश को छुड़ाया.